I feel like the most important thing to remember when applying for the endorsement application is really just to be honest with yourself as a company when you're completing the self-assessment form. The self-assessment form is the first document that you get and you fill out, and it's asking you a bunch of questions about your craft training program. It's a pretty straightforward process, but I feel like the most important question on that is really what level of the endorsement level that you're applying for. And so we were looking through the different criteria for those, and we decided that we were pretty close to the leader level and felt like that's the level of endorsement we should apply for. So we went through that process. We met with C3 and reviewed those, and we received our actual leader endorsement application. And going through that process, we looked a little bit deeper at ourselves and some of the questions and didn't feel like we could really answer them the way we wanted to. We didn't have it documented the way we wanted to. And so we took it as an opportunity to look back on our program, set some realistic goals for us to fix and achieve, and overall make a better craft training program going forward. So we ended up applying for the recognized level.
We found the C3 endorsement application process to be a very worthwhile experience for our team at Merrick. I will say that the champion level endorsement application and the accompanying audit are quite a rigorous process. It does take an investment of time, but we felt good about that because I think anytime a company or organization is applying for some kind of certification or award or recognition, you do want to believe that you're being held to a standard and that others who, along with us, are applying for the process are held to that same standard. So we definitely felt that that was the case throughout the C3 process. In addition, we took the opportunity as a team to kind of take a look internally where we wanted to go. So a lot of times in this industry, we're always on the go. What's the next thing? Moving forward to the next project. And this allowed us a chance to kind of take a step back, look at our program, say, in addition to kind of having the chance to benchmark against best practices that are included in the C3 endorsement program, we also could say, hey, where do we want to go with our program? What's the next level? How can we improve? Because there's certainly areas where we could do so. So we found it to be worthwhile and a meaningful investment of time for both those reasons.